Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel bj.aesthete. This video is about the Ruby Falls located in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Ruby Falls, located in Chattanooga, Tennessee, is a stunning underground waterfall that's the tallest and deepest in the United States that's accessible to the public. Ruby Falls isn't just about the falls. It also offers panoramic views of the Tennessee Valley from its observation deck, thrilling adventures like zip lining, and seasonal events that make it a magical destination year around.
Looking into a dark hole deep inside a mountain. Some folks might call it wise to turn back in favor of sunlight and certainty. Take the easy path. Miss the detour that just might lead to something far more extraordinary. Sometimes, some people, not me. When my Ruby moved away to Tennessee, I could have stayed put, but I followed her south. She was my high school sweetheart. Usually, those things don't work out, but she's my wife now. So yes, that was the right call. Ruby and I have seen just about everything together. We come around a bend and see a new adventure. She takes my hand and off we go. Now, the minute I heard the historic tales of Lookout Mountain Cave, I felt that first pull. The mountain calling me in. I wanted everyone to see this underground cathedral, but the entrance was sealed. The railroad needed that passage for their line. Time to give up the dream, right? No, sir. I started planning. It took near a decade. Investors took a chance on us, and we bought the land above the cave. The autumn leaves were falling as we started drilling in 1928. We were on our way, opening a new entrance into the cave. The crew worked around the clock, cutting a shaft for an elevator. That's right, an elevator, 420 feet straight into the heart of the mountain. We pulled up bucket after bucket of limestone, enough to build a castle. Then, at 260 feet, the unexpected happened. A burst of air from an opening into the unknown, 18 inches tall. I swear it sunk into me. If our drills hadn't stayed true, if our aim had been a few feet in either direction, we would have missed it. Something we weren't even looking for in the first place, but we found it. Or maybe it found us. So down we went, crawling through the dark, with the mountain on our heads. We crawled for an hour, 3 hours, 6 hours before we could stand. Ruby's up there, waiting for me. But the same thing pulling me back is pushing me forward, towards hidden beauty in the heart of this fine earth, a treasure worthy of her name. I know we're down deep, farther down than we ever expected to go. I imagine all the people that might come after us to this place, to see something they've never seen before, something they'll never see if we turn back now.
Imagine descending into the heart of Lookout Mountain, enveloped by the cool embrace of ancient rock. The path twists and turns, revealing stunning geological formations at every corner, each one a testament to nature's artistry over millennia. The air is filled with a sense of mystery and anticipation. Ruby Falls was discovered by Leo Lambert, a local cave enthusiast in 1928. Lambert was originally exploring Lookout Mountain for an alternate entrance to the existing Lookout Mountain cave when he stumbled upon a narrow opening that led him to an untouched cavern deep within the mountain. After a long, painstaking crawl through a small tunnel, Lambert and his team eventually discovered the magnificent underground waterfalls. He named it Ruby Falls after his wife Ruby. As you continue your journey, the distant sound of cascading water grows louder, a melodic symphony echoing through the caverns. Finally, you enter a grand chamber, and there it is, Ruby Falls. 145 feet of water plummeting gracefully into a pool below. The waterfall is illuminated by a mesmerizing light show that dances across the water, creating an otherworldly spectacle of color and shadows. Please do visit this place without fail whenever you visit Chattanooga, Tennessee. A calm and a must visit place. It is more than just a waterfall. It's an experience that connects you with the power and beauty of nature, leaving you with memories that linger long after you have emerged from the depths of the mountain. Hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.